Welcome to this OpenText Filr video on multi-factor authentication for external users. My name's Robin Redgrave. I'm a solutions consultant based out of the UK. Multi-factor authentication for external users is a feature that's enabled if you have the Power external user license. The license also gives you an entitlement to Advanced Authentication Limited, which is the appliance that we use for delivering MFA. It comes with a limited number of methods for additional authentication, but most probably the two that you're going to be using for external users is going to be email one-time password or SMS one-time password. Let's just go and share a file with an external user and you can see how this works. So if I take this file here and I'll just share that with an email address here for an external user. I can of course set this up to have different access. Can they edit it, how long it expires, and indeed put in a message. I'm not going to do that in this instance. I'm just going to save that. And let's just sign out. And in a moment, there we go, you can see I've got my email has arrived inviting me to do self-sign up. By the way, you can edit the look and feel of these emails. But here I'm just going to click on the self-registration option and fill in the details. So here I'm going to be Robert Redders and then my country code for my phone. So this is if I'm going to be using SMS one-time password. It obviously needs to have my phone number or mobile phone number. I'm just going to put that in here. And then let's just put in a password and do sign up. So the registration was successful. I'll just click on continue. Here it's prompting me to log in to see that file that we've just shared. So if I put in the password I just typed in, what's going to happen now is that because I've got both methods set up, email one-time password and SMS one-time password, it's prompting me for which one do I want to use. If I only had one method set up, then this dialog would be skipped and we'd just get to the next part straight off. So anyway, in this instance I'm just going to take the email one-time password, click next, and you can see here that's prompting me for my one-time password, which we'll get an email with in a moment. There we are. Let's just open that message and just take the one-time password, copy that, and let's just paste it in there. And if I do next, there we are, I'm authenticated and have access to that file. So let's just try the other method that we had. So I'm just going to sign out here. So, and then I'll type in the password. Now, instead of using the email one-time password, I'm just going to take the drop down and, before we do that, let's just show you what's happening on my phone. There we go. Let's do SMS one-time password, and if I click next we should see that arrive. There you go. Let's just open that up and you can see down the bottom there I've got a code 314606, and let's click next, and there we are, I'm authenticated. So you can see there the two main ways that you would use MFA with external users, and can see how it can add an additional layer of security into your environment. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for listening.